Hello and welcome to this course named Sales Boost Technology of Leaders. This is an introduction video and here I will tell what this course is about and why it's so vital to many sellers on Amazon. First, take a look at this table. Here are some amazing digits. According to statistics, net sales on Amazon in 2015 reached $107 billion. The number of Amazon customers was 304 million. This is incredible. Amazon is not just the largest internet platform in the world, it also has unbelievably stable growth. The number of Amazon customers increases each year on 20%. It means that selling on Amazon is really profitable and prospective business. However, as every business, it also has some problems and obstacles. When you become a seller on Amazon, it can be easily dissolved in a numerous of other sellers of a similar product, and you'll get only small crumbs from that pie. The other common problem on Amazon is the number of reviews on your listing. When you are a new seller, you have no reviews and no social proof. Hence, buyers do not trust your product. They would rather buy a similar product with hundreds of positive reviews. Likely, all these issues could be easily solved and turned into a huge success on Amazon. Basically, to succeed on Amazon, you need reviews, sales velocity, and a high conversion rate. So why these factors are so important? Reviews. They are social proof. When many people already bought your product and wrote that this is a good item, it's like a gasoline for your sales. Sales velocity makes a huge impact on your BSR rank and hence on your position in search results. And the higher your position in search results, the more sales you get. Conversion rate. When Amazon sees that almost everybody who comes to your list and buys your product, your BSR will grow even faster. Amazon values the situation when less traffic makes more sales and pushes you up to the top. And I have an amazing information for you. Sales Boost is a technology that solves all these issues at once and leads you to success. So what exactly does a Sales Boost? Collects reviews, boosts up your sales, improves your BSR rank, gets you closer to the first page in search results, teaches Amazon to rank you organically, collects emails of your customers. This is incredible! Only by running this technology you'll get so many benefits. The technology will overcome the most frustrating things in business like low sales and small profit. Your listing will beat up even the strongest competitors. And you will finally become excited about selling on Amazon. It will inspire you on your further growth. And now, you probably have a huge question. How does it work? In general, we capture a huge traffic from Facebook, involving people who are really interested in your product. Then we lead this traffic to your website, where we capture their emails. And then we lead them to your listing on Amazon. So, do we need all these steps? Yes. Why? Facebook. Here's the most precise information about interests and hobbies of people. Facebook knows everything. What pages do you visit? What kind of products do you like? Where do you live? How old are you? And many other things. And because of that, you can narrow your auditory very precisely and target people that are really interested in your product. Website. It has a lead role in this technology. It does several things. Collects emails of your customers. Screen out people who are hesitating to buy a product and hence increases your conversion rate. Sends emails to your customers to remind them to buy your product. Teaches Amazon to rank your product higher on your keyword using super URL technology. And Amazon. Here customers not just buy a product, Right after the purchase, they will receive a sequence of emails where you'll be asking to write a review to this product. And final results. What will you get after the sales boost? Here I show you a real example of running of sales boost on some product. See, before October 2016, product was selling very badly, about 50 units per month. But after we ran a sales boost, boom, we sold almost 500 units in 2 months. Incredible! You'll never get such results after advertising on Amazon or after casual promotion. The other thing I want to show you is a BSR rank of another product. We started a promotion on Amazon for this product in September. We spent a lot of money, but reached only 80,000 BSR. Then we started a sales boost for this product in October. And see the difference? We had 1,300 BSR. This is huge. Products with such BSRs are best sellers. And we got this result in only 1 month. The technology works and works very efficiently. During all my lessons, I will teach you how to copy this result. Even if you are not familiar with the website building or Facebook ad, all lessons are created on step-by-step basis. We will dig into each step so deeply that you'll be able to set up a sales boost without any additional knowledge. Okay, see you in the first lesson.